In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell gift cards on your Shopify store. Selling gift cards on your Shopify store is an excellent way to give customers flexibility while boosting your sales and brand visibility. Gift cards can attract new shoppers, encourage repeat purchases, and work as a marketing tool during holidays or special promotions. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. In here, navigate to Products, go ahead and click on Gift Cards. If your store doesn't have this option, you may need to enable it in your plan settings, as digital gift cards are available on most Shopify plans. Click Add Gift Card Product to create a new offering. Next, give your gift card a clear title and upload an appealing image that reflects your brand. Set the denominations you want to offer, for example, $25, $50, $100, or allow customers to enter a custom amount. You can also add a description to explain how the gift card works and how it can be redeemed, which helps set expectations for customers. After setting up the gift card product, make sure it's available on your online store sales channel. When a customer purchases a gift card, Shopify generates a unique code that can be redeemed at checkout. You can choose whether gift cards are sent automatically via email or manually, and you can customize the email template to include branding or a personal message. It's important to test the gift card workflow before promoting it. Buy a sample gift card and redeem it during checkout to ensure that the code works correctly and that your pricing and payment settings function as expected. Once everything is set up, you can promote your gift cards on your website, social media, and email campaigns. Gift cards not only generate immediate revenue but also encourage customers to return to your store, often spending more than the gift card value. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.